Hello, I got to my information. My name is Sara. My last name is Acosta. I am 50 years old. I from East Quito, Ecuador. I live in Bellavista, Canal 8. My father's name is Atilio. My mother's name is Mercy. My sister's name is Camila. My dog name is Babylonia. My favorite music is heavy metal. My favorite singer is Leo Jimenez. My favorite band Iron Maiden, Kiss, and Bon Jovi. My favorite sport is basketball. My favorite fruit are apple, orange, and grapes. My best friend is Cristel and Anaim. My favorite actor is Leonardo DiCaprio. My telephone number is 3332427. I have one sister. Hello, I'm going to present my dog. Her name is Babylonia. Her race is mestiza. Babylonia is 2 months. Your birthday is 11th October 2030. Her is small and pretty. Her is very loyal and loving. Her eyes are black. Her is color black and red. Her favorite is soap. Her is anxious and curious. She likes play in the park. Her is happy. Babylonia lives in the morning, in the evening. Here is magnificent.
I'm going to present my favorite place. It is a very quiet place. From here we can admire the city of Quito. It is a natural and peaceful place. Has plenty of scenery. Thought that inspires the imaginations to a world of fantastic, folk, mystic, uncertain, hiding their secret scenes. In the distance is new world in the distance. His name is Guapulo. From the viewpoint is beautiful and impressive panoramic view. You can see the moon and admire the councils, homes. Overall, this place feels clean air. My charm in come because it's nice and I felt comfortable.